Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Shazia. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this very viral eye makeup trend that's going on everywhere, and that is none other than the Foxy eye makeup look that is perfect for hooded eyes and for giving your eyes that amazing lift. Initially, I was like very confused if I should be doing this eye look on my channel or not, because already a couple of makeup artists have been done this look. But then I was like, the best part about this look that made me attracted and made me create it on my channel is that this eye look is so simple. It just requires very little effort and very few products, and yet it gives your eyes that amazing, attractive, wide look, and it elongates your eyes so beautifully. So yes, having said that, let's get started to see how we achieve this look. So I've already primed my eyelids, filled my brows. Now I'm going to apply tape on the edge of my eye to get a clean shape to the eye look, and I've left a little space from my lower lash line and then applied the tape like you can see. And after that, I'm going to start with this light brown shade from the Colourpop Double in 20 palette, and I'm using this thin eyeliner brush, and I'm applying, creating a wing on my outer corner and also connecting it to my lower lash line. So we just have to create a Y shape, So you just have to extend a wing on the outer corner and then connect it to the lower lash line, creating a Y shape. And we're not going to be applying shades anywhere else on our eyes. We're only going to focus on the outer corner and creating that wing. So now I'm blending that shade with a fluffy blending brush. So all you have to do is apply shades on the outer corner, do the wing, and just blend that shade to create a sultry, natural, smoky effect. That's all we have to do. So after that, I'm going to use another shade, and I'm going to go with this dark brown shade from the same palette. I think it's called Heart, and I'm going to again apply it on top of that light brown shade, and once again just do the same thing, create that Y shape and then blend it out with the fluffy blending brush. So doing this is going to create that nice elongated lift on your eyes, and the focus is only going to be the outer corner, like I said. So I'm also going to use my fingers to kind of soften the edges of the outer corner so that nothing looks too harsh. And you can already see that look that we've achieved, So yeah, now I'm taking this black shade from another palette, and I'm going to apply it on top of that dark brown shade. So applying black will make that wing look more intense and more smoky and sultry, and it's going to give that beautiful dramatic effect and also, beautifully elongate your eyes. So I'm just applying it with that thin eyeliner brush, and then after that I'm going to again blend it out. So just the same technique that I'm using here is what you guys also have to follow, and you'll be able to achieve that foxy eye look very easily. And I'm going to blend once again with my fingers and with the brush. Now removing the tape, you guys can see that beautiful elongated wing, and this is automatically going to make your eyes look really wide and give that beautiful lift. So now I'm working on the lower lash line, so I'm applying the same black shade, but like we did on the upper lash line, we have to do the same thing on the lower lash line. We don't have to go too beyond. We have to focus the color only on the outer corner and connect it to the lower lash line and the wing. That's it. So now I'm using a white eye pencil on my lower waterline, and you can use either a white or a nude eye pencil. If you have hooded eyes or small eyes, it will make your eyes look more bigger and more wide. So like you can see, it's already giving me a big eye effect. And after that, I'm taking this Maybelline Bold Colossal liner, and I'm going to make a very thin line on my upper lash line and also make an inner corner wing. So this is the next step to getting that beautiful elongated, wide lift to your eyes. So that inner corner wing automatically elongates the shape of your eye and gives it a beautiful almond-like shape, and that looks really attractive and gorgeous. So yeah, don't skip this step. So when creating the line on the upper lash line, make sure it's really thin. It should be an ultra thin line, and try to make it as precise and as thin as possible. Don't go for a thick eyeliner look, else you'll mess up the whole concept that you've created there. So now for the inner corner wing, just extend a line close to your nose and then join it to the tear duct area. And the inner corner wing might be a little difficult, especially if you're a beginner, so practice will help you get it the right way. It can get a little messy, so make sure you practice a little bit beforehand and do it exactly the way I'm doing. That way you'll be able to get it right. So yeah. Now you can see what a beautiful effect it is giving to the eye. Instantly it's getting elongated and it looks really pretty. And now I'm gonna go in with mascara, and I'm using Great Lash Mascara from Maybelline, and I'm going to apply it both to my upper as well as lower lashes, but I'm mainly going to focus it on the outer lashes because when you push your outer lashes in the more outward direction, it's going to automatically help in winging out your entire eye look more. So yeah. Now I'm also going to apply it to my lower lashes like I do it usually. And you can finish the entire eye look with mascara, but I'm also going to apply fake lashes. But I'm going to do it in a little different way, which I'll be showing you guys now. You guys can already see the difference after I've applied mascara. And now I'm using the Bepholan faux mink lashes in the variant Rose, but I'm going to cut one of the lash into two halves. The reason I'm doing it is because I want the lashes to be lifted and more winged out. So that's the reason I'm going to use lashes only to the outer part of my lashes. Like I applied mascara only to the outer lashes more, so the same way I'm going to apply falsies only to the outer part, because like I said, that's going to make it look more winged out and it also give a very natural effect. So if you have hooded eyes, don't use very dramatic lashes or very fluttery lashes or very large very long lashes, because that will cover up that work that you've done on the lid area, or that smoked out wing that you created. It might hide it. So don't use very dramatic lashes. Try to use natural lashes, and if you use the technique that I did, that is applying lashes only on the outer corner, it will give a more natural look. So that's it guys, this is all what we did to achieve this beautiful gorgeous eye look, and not just for hooded eyes. This is gonna suit every eye type, every eye shape. Even I don't have hooded eyelids, but this looked really pretty and really gave me that beautiful elongated attractive eye look. And I think this eye look is very easy to create, and it's perfect for parties, even weddings. You can just pair it up with a bold lip color to look absolutely gorgeous. So that's it guys, I hope you found the tutorial helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and keep coming back to my channel for more such content. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, bye.